The Thai woman. A young man decided to go on holiday with his girlfriend. She told him she wanted to go somewhere hot and sunny, so he booked 2 tickets to Thailand. They spent 2 weeks touring the country and had a wonderful time together. They met a lot of friendly local people and visited many exotic tourist attractions. In Bangkok, they saw the Grand Palace and a variety of interesting Buddhist temples. They relaxed on the beautiful, sandy beaches of Phuket and swam in the crystal blue ocean. In Chiang Mai, they went shopping in the night bazaar, then danced until dawn at a number of bars and nightclubs. The holiday brought the couple closer together and they were both impressed by the charms of Thai culture. When they returned home, their digital camera was full of photos they had taken during their trip. A few days later, the young man was looking through the photos and remembering the good times they had shared. All of a sudden, he noticed that, in several of the pictures his girlfriend had taken of him, there was a strange woman standing in the background. She had long black hair and wore a flowing white gown. She was standing too far away to make out her face. The man decided to show the pictures to his girlfriend. "Do you remember this woman?" he asked. "No, I don't," she replied. "I thought you were alone when I took this photo." After examining the pictures more closely, they realized that the strange Thai woman was lurking in the background of several photos they had taken in different cities. It was as if she had been following them as they toured the country. The young man went through the rest of the photos they had taken and, when he came to the last one, a chill ran down his spine. It was a picture of him standing in the middle of a busy street in Chiang Mai. The strange Thai woman was standing directly behind him, peering over his left shoulder. This time, her face was clearly visible. Her skin was deathly pale and she didn't have any eyes. He found all of this extremely unsettling and wanted to know who the weird Thai lady was and why she had been following them. He decided to visit a psychic to get to the bottom of it. His girlfriend made an appointment with the psychic for him and he printed out the photograph in which the woman's face was visible. The next day, when he visited the psychic's office, he sat down on a sofa opposite her and took the photograph out of his pocket. Pointing to the pale lady in the picture, he asked, "Can you tell me anything about this woman?" The psychic took the photograph and examined it closely. "Yes, I can," she replied. "She is standing behind you right now.